Ruth Flowers.
What does Ruth do?
She's a DJ.
Where does she work?
She works in clubs in Europe.
How many children does she have?
She has one son, and she also has a grandson.
What sort of music does she like?
She likes Queen and the Rolling Stones, and she also likes electro and dance music.
Why does she like young people so much?
Because they're so energetic and enthusiastic.
What's she doing at the moment?
She's planning another European tour, and she's making a new single.
Fraser Doherty.
What does Fraser do?
He has his own company that makes jam.
How much does he earn?
He earns more than his parents.
How many jars of jam does he make every year?
He makes 500,000 jars a year.
Whose recipe does he use?
His grandmother's. It's a secret recipe.
What's he writing?
He's writing a cookbook.
What's he trying to do?
He's trying to get into the American market.
An interview with Ruth.
Do you like being famous?
Oh, don't be silly. I'm not really famous. I'm just an old lady who's having fun.
But it is unusual for someone your age, if you don't mind me saying, to be DJing in clubs for young people.
Well, I just like the music. And I don't want to be an old woman in an old people's home, watching television all day long and going to church once a week.
Why do you do it?
I DJ because the energy is fantastic. Because I love to see young people enjoying themselves. Because it makes me happy.
Does your family agree with you?
My family thinks it's great. Some of my friends say that it's not right for a woman my age to be wearing these clothes and staying out all night.
And what do you say to them?
I say it's none of their business. It doesn't matter how old you are. If you want to do something, you can.
An interview with Fraser.
Do you like being a businessman?
Oh, yes, I love it. I like the planning, the marketing, the selling. I like meeting people and talking about my business and everything about it.
It seems to me you really love what you're doing.
It's true, I do.
Do you have any free time?
A bit, but not a lot.
What do you do in your free time?
I go out with my friends. I go to clubs. I love walking.
Have you got a girlfriend?
Well, that's none of your business.
Sorry. Who do you live with?
I live with a group of friends in a flat in Edinburgh. It's not far from my parents' house.
Do you see much of your parents?
I see them all the time. We're very close.